All right, so this problem says Will eats 1/5 of his pizza. How much pizza is left? So this is an example of a fraction word problem where we're dealing with a whole. So you may be asking, Mr. Smith, I only see 1/5 here. What are you talking about? Remember, we're referring to Will eating 1/5 of a pizza that we're assuming is whole. So the first thing I'm going to do to make sense of this problem is I'm just going to draw a quick little picture here. And I know most of you guys are used to seeing your pizzas round, but some pizzas actually are rectangle. And in this case, my pizza is going to be a rectangle. So that represents my one whole pizza. And I want to take away 1/5 of it because Will eats 1/5 of it. So using the same type of shape here, and in a perfect world, my drawings would be perfect, and they'd be exactly the same size, but unfortunately they're not. So he eats 1/5 of that piece of pizza. So to show 1/5, I've divided the 1/5 part into 5 pieces and shaded in one piece. So we have one whole pizza. Is eaten a word? Okay. So we have 1/5 part eaten, and then we're going to divide the whole pizza to the left here in like fashion. But this time we're actually going to color in all the fifth pieces because we're assuming that Will is eating 1/5 of a whole pizza. And so we want to see, okay, well, how much is left over? Well, out of a whole, Will eats 1/5. So how much pizza is left should be 4/5 of the pizza. And so that's how I'd make sense of the problem using quick pictures. But I can also represent each part of my problem using fraction notation. So one whole pizza is 5/5 or 5 pieces out of 5 pieces. And then we're eating or subtracting 1/5 of that whole. And then we're left with 4/5. So the answer to the question, how much pizza is left after Will eats 1/5 of it, is 4/5.